The birth of the telephone.
In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell patented the telephone, changing the world forever. Before the telephone, people relied on letters and the telegraph for communication. Bell's invention made it possible for voices to travel instantly over wires, a breakthrough that would bring people closer, no matter the distance. This marked the beginning of a new era in global communication.
How Bell's invention worked.
Bell's early telephone transformed sound waves into electrical signals. When someone spoke into the transmitter, vibrations were converted into varying electric currents. These signals traveled through a wire and were changed back into sound waves by the receiver at the other end. This seemingly magical process made real-time conversations possible across great distances.
From experiment to everyday use.
The first telephone call was simple yet historic. Bell spoke to his assistant, Thomas Watson, saying, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." As word spread, businesses and households quickly adopted the new technology. The telephone started connecting cities, towns, and eventually countries, shrinking the world in ways previously unimaginable.
Building a global network.
The telephone line stretched across continents and oceans. By the turn of the 20th century, switching stations and extensive networks enabled people to place calls over vast distances. The invention of the rotary dial, switchboards, and eventually automated exchanges made the technology more accessible and convenient for millions worldwide.
The telephone's lasting impact.
Alexander Graham Bell's telephone paved the way for today's interconnected world. Voice communication became faster, easier, and more reliable. The telephone inspired later innovations like the mobile phone and the internet, forever shaping business, personal relationships, and global society. Bell's sound revolution truly transformed the way the world communicates.